Hey everybody, Jim Haas with Blaze Outdoor Products. Just wanted to talk really quickly today about our power burner. I want to hit on a little bit of the side burners we have, but more concentrating on the power burner. This is mostly because, especially based here, we're in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We get someone come in saying, I'm building an outdoor kitchen, I want a side burner. And we always say, okay, what are you going to use this side burner for? And sure enough, a lot of times they'll say, oh, I just want to use it for a small pot of crawfish. I'm going to boil a small pot. Side burner ain't going to cut it. Side burners are a great accessory in an outdoor kitchen. They are great for keeping sauces warm, cooking your beans over here on the side while you're doing your main things on the grills and everything else. But if you need to step up to that, if you need something with a good vigorous boil, you're going to need to step up to that power burner, and I'm going to show you some of the features on that and why the Blaze power burner is so efficient. Same could be said for the area that I rep. I actually rep the Pacific Northwest for Blaze, and they do a lot of crab boils up there, especially out on the coast. You get toward the coast and everything, and it's kind of the same thing. Build an outdoor kitchen. I would like a side burner. What are you using that side burner for? So. If you need something other than kind of a nice slow roll and boil in a small pot, and you need a good vigorous boil in a larger, like a 30 quart, for instance, kind of a pot, you're going to want to step up to that power burner. I'm going to flip this camera around so we can see what we're looking at here. This is some professional camera crew. All right. It's all me. I love it. Okay. So, side burner, power burner. Yes, they both come with the nice stainless steel lids. Lifetime warranty on all of our stainless components. That goes for all of our gas grills as well. Doors, drawers, and carts. Stainless, lifetime warranty. These are two different variations. So on this, the side burner, the face of this is made to match our traditional or LTE grill line. The face of the power burner is made to match our professional grill line. Contours on the angles are a little bit different on each, and they both come in either way, so it's going to match whatever grill you have in your island. Just so you know, the face of this, yes, the face of this is black. This is a add-on accessory we've been working on. It's a stainless steel skin that goes on the front of the control panel, and then we're making some that go over the hood of a grill, just to match. If you want to change, if you got a color scheme or something in your yard. So we're coming out with those in various colors. So that's why that's like that. But these come out of the box, stainless steel, that nice silver stainless. So let's take a look underneath these hoods. We have two variations of side burners. We have the double side burner, which is what you see here, and then we have a single side burner drop-in. Both the side burner and the power burner are meant to be used in a built-in application. We don't have these on a cart model. These are meant for a built-in custom island barbecue island, outdoor kitchen sort of situation. 12,000 BTU burners, each burner. Which is nice. You got to remember, you're in the elements. It's not going to bring anything to a boil as fast as even something in your indoor kitchen, because just the simple fact you're outside. So that plays into this also. So like I was saying, if you want that good vigorous boil, step up to this power burner, and now you have essentially two burners in one. There's an inner ring, which is 25,000 BTU, an outer ring, which is 35,000 BTU. You can use these together or separate, so you can get a nice low flame if you needed it, even on this. But you can use them together for a total of 60,000 BTUs, and it's all good. Now, this also features this wind guard, which just sits around the burners, helps block any wind that might be coming through here. It also doubles as somewhat of a heat deflector and really concentrates that heat and energy up into the cooking area. Got the center ring if you do any wok cooking. This, by design, it was built a little more narrow than most power burners that are out there. The owner of Blaze and our product development guys, they've been doing this a while. They've seen what works. They've got the passion for it. They saw that a lot of people, as far as power burners go, a lot of times it was an afterthought and they didn't leave enough real estate on the surface of the barbecue island. Or sometimes they realized they needed to step up from a side burner to a power burner, and then they just didn't have the space to put it in. So we made ours a little more narrow, and we raised the grate, so if you do have an oversized pot, you still get plenty of airflow and ventilation. And just by the nature of the design and the smaller footprint, another advantage is when we did a boil test against a couple other major brands, who shall remain nameless, ours actually came to a boil, a 30-quart pot of water came to a boil in about half the time. And that was just simply from the design aspect of it, the smaller footprint, the narrower footprint, the wind guard, and heat deflector around the burners. And it was just as simple as that. It also features the full-length drip tray that all of our grills have, which is a nice, sleek design, and often is, people forget that it's even there, and it fills up with grease and overflows, and they go, hey, they call us, it's your stuff is spilling all over my patio. And we said, did you empty the drip tray? And they say, oh, I forgot, because it's so nice. So there you have it. These have the lights over the knob, so it's going to match your LTE or Pro grill heads that are in the island, which are looking pretty fancy. I don't have that one plugged in. Hey. So there you have it. A quick overview of the power burner. Blaze Outdoor Products. Thank you very much.